In this tutorial, I will show you all the point tools like add, delete and convert point tools. So let's dive into this. I am accessing these point tools. First of all, I am accessing add anchor point tool. So just clicking here, and this is add anchor point tool. Adds anchor points to your path. It is add anchor points. Delete anchor points. Deletes anchor points and reshapes path. So I am demonstrating first add anchor point. The shape is already selected, so I am accessing add anchor point tool. You can see nothing happened to the cursor yet, but when I am taking the cursor on the above the path, then and plus sign appeared with the cursor. So that means I can add points, anchor points to the path. So I am clicking here. You can see an anchor point has been added to the path. I am clicking here, added to the path. So I am now selecting delete anchor point. Delete anchor point deletes anchor points and reshapes path. So as usual, the cursor is not changed yet, but when you can see the cursor is now over the path, but it is not changed yet. As it is delete anchor point tool, it will be changed when the cursor will be on the point. So I am deleting this point. It is deleted. I am deleting the point. It is deleted, and I am also deleted this. So it not only deleted, it is reshaped the shape. I hope you got this. Also, here is convert point tool. You can see nothing happens here, but when it is over the point, then it is changed to convert point tools. So I am clicking here. You can see when I am clicking here, two handles has been appeared here, and the corner points or corner anchor points converted to curvy anchor points. So if I didn't want these curvy anchor points, so I am clicking here, and it will again convert the point anchor point of the shape. So you can see here is also you can access this tool. I am clicking here now, add anchor point, clicking here, add an anchor. But if I hold down keyboard Alt, you can see nothing happened, but you can see now it is delete anchor point. So if I point the cursor to the anchor points and hold down Alt from the keyboard, then it will be act as delete anchor point. But you cannot use convert point tool shortcut using this add anchor point tool. You can use this. You need to go to pen tool. If I am on the pen tool, you can see after selecting pen tool, if I manage the cursor to over the path, it will act as add anchor point tool, and it is add this point. If I hold down Alt from the keyboard, you can see now this point tool, convert point tool, has been appeared. I am holding down Alt from the keyboard, so I can easily change this point to this, and I am again holding down Alt and click here, and the path again is corner or straight points. So that was for this point tools in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.